In this video, I'm just going to briefly show how to embed and record a video in a discussion in Canvas. So here's my discussion. I'm going to click reply, and I don't need that. And so then I'm going to come over here. Now there's a few ways. One way is to upload or record media. So I can come here, I can drag a file from here, or I can go to record and I can record directly on here from my webcam, my mic, and I can just record that. It'll talk a little bit and then I can finish. I save the media and it'll embed it there right away. Another method that is useful if you want to do a screen recording where you show what your screen actually looks like is to come over here to Studio, and then you're going to create. You can use Screencast-O-Matic if you want, but Studio Capture is a new feature that's easier to use, I think. So I go to Studio Capture where it says Screen Capture. I go to Enabled, and it'll let me choose what window or tab or screen I want to share. So I'm just going to share this Chrome tab, actually this one. I'm going to share it. And then I'm going to start recording. And I can see over here, this is the tab that it's sharing. I could see by this right here that it says this tab's content is being shared. I can talk, I can point out, and then people can see whatever I do on this video. I can stop sharing, or I can come over here and do finish recording. I can save the media or start over or whatever I want to do. And then to add it to Canvas in the discussion, I just put select and embed media, and it will add it there. That way you can show something on your screen and talk through and explain it to people at the same time. Hope that helps.